Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks to get fit and healthy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to burn fat with HIIT, which stands for High Intensity Interval Training. HIIT is one of the most effective and efficient ways to exercise, as it can help you burn more calories and fat in less time than traditional cardio. But what is HIIT, and how does it work? Keep watching to find out. HIIT is a form of exercise that involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and longer periods of rest or low-intensity activity. For example, you could sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 60 seconds, and repeat for 10 to 20 minutes. The key is to push yourself hard during the intense intervals and recover as much as you can during the rest intervals. This way, you can challenge your body and keep your heart rate high throughout the workout. But why is HIIT so good for fat loss? Well, there are several reasons. First, HIIT can increase your metabolic rate, which is the rate at which you burn calories at rest. Studies have shown that HIIT can boost your metabolism for up to 24 hours after the workout, which means you burn more calories and fat even when you are not exercising. This is known as the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. Second, HIIT can improve your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, which are important for fat loss. Insulin is a hormone that regulates your blood sugar levels, and glucose is the main source of energy for your cells. When you do HIIT, you use up a lot of glucose in your muscles, which lowers your blood sugar levels. This signals your body to release more insulin, which helps your cells absorb the glucose and use it for energy. This prevents the glucose from being stored as fat, and also prevents spikes and crashes in your blood sugar levels, which can cause cravings and overeating. Third, HIIT can stimulate the release of hormones that regulate your appetite and fat burning, such as growth hormone, GH, and norepinephrine. GH is a hormone that promotes muscle growth and fat breakdown, and norepinephrine is a neurotransmitter that activates your nervous system and increases your lipolysis, which is the process of releasing fat from your fat cells. Studies have shown that HIIT can increase the levels of GH and norepinephrine by up to 450% and 14%, respectively. Depending on the intensity and duration of the workout, this means that HIIT can help you build muscle and burn fat at the same time. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.